Hello students and non-students, and welcome to a new series of educational videos called Let's Learn, proudly presented by the Continuing Education Center at Kuwait Technical College. I will kick off this series by presenting a very important topic. We all know the importance of English in this modern age. I could talk about this specific topic for a whole video on its own. And out of the 6,500 spoken languages in the world today, why choose to learn English? As the third most widely spoken language in the world, English is widely spoken and taught in over 118 countries. It's commonly used around the world as a trade language and a diplomatic language. It's the language of science and aviation, computers, diplomacy, travel and tourism. And last but not least, it's the international communication language and the language of the internet. The whole world communicates in English. And knowing English not only gives you access to more entertainment, but it can also make you smarter. It is the most common language used in research, and it's been proven that learning a new language actually opens up new pathways in your brain that would otherwise never be activated. The problem, however, is that learning English takes time, and it takes effort, and it takes a lot of commitment. If you want to be excellent in English, you need to practice it every single day. But let's be honest, where will we find the time in our crazy schedules to do that? It's easy actually. Here are 5 things you can do to learn English every day the easy way. Number 1, switch on. You need to realize that we are surrounded by language, and in particular English. Every mall we go to has English signs, every road has an advertisement or a banner with English, and every website that we visit and every application has the choice of using English. Being surrounded by English makes it so easy for you to read, compare, and translate, and most signs in Kuwait have both Arabic and English language, so it makes it super easy for you to understand the language that's in it. And you could use this opportunity of being surrounded by English to practice and learn that language that is available literally everywhere you go and everywhere you look. Number 2, read out loud. Lots of English learners, even the advanced ones, have trouble pronouncing English words. And even though they know and understand these words, and being Arabic native speakers ourselves, most of us have never been taught at an early age to speak English. This makes it very hard for you to pronounce English words simply because your mouth muscles are not used to making these English sounds. An example of this is making English native speakers speak Arabic. They're going to have a very hard time pronouncing words and letters. Can you imagine how hard it is for them to pronounce the Arabic letters kha, ba, ain, qa? Reading out loud enables you to develop your mouth muscles in order to create English sounds. So take the time out to read the English that you come across during the day. It will do wonders to your pronunciation. And any word that you find how to pronounce, you could just easily pull out your phone and Google the word. Most online dictionaries, and even Google itself, give you the option of hearing the correct pronunciation of the word. So there's no excuse. Number 3, create an opportunity. Listen to an English podcast while you drive. Watch one English YouTube channel. Watch an English movie. Read an English news article or book. Mix things up, keep it interesting, but the most important thing for you to do are 2 things. To do it consistently, and it has to be related to something that you are interested in. Otherwise, it's just going to feel like hard work and effort. You need to look forward to doing it and not feel like you're learning English, but instead that it's just enjoyable because you enjoy doing it. Cars, fashion, football, video games, politics, education, anything that you find interesting, and find the time to do this. Early in the morning or before you go to bed. Most people are on their phones and laptops during that time. And that can be used as a learning opportunity. My favorite thing to do is to watch 2 or 3 English YouTube videos on my favorite channels before I go to sleep. Number 4, write it down. I'm not talking about writing essays or long paragraphs. We do enough of those as students. I'm talking about something as simple as switching your phone to English or sending out a few English text messages to your friends. Instead of always relying on Arabic, you could also respond to your emails that your instructor sent or write a nice comment to a social media post that you enjoyed. What this allows you is to practice creating your own sentences instead of just being exposed to other people's writing. If you're anxious about your writing, you could easily use an online grammar checker like Grammarly, which is free and easy to use. Number 5, join a discussion. Applications such as Clubhouse and social media platforms allow you the ability to join a discussion at any topic of your choice. This can be as simply as adding a comment on an Instagram post, or replying to a funny Twitter post, or responding to an interesting YouTube video discussion. These social media platforms give you the opportunity to share and discuss your ideas with others with similar interests to you. And don't be shy to participate. Chances are that most of these people are other English language learners just like you. So let's round up the main points again. Switch on, read out loud, create an opportunity, write it down, and join a discussion. Thanks everybody for watching. I really hope you found this information useful. Please give us a thumbs up if you've learned something new, or write a comment and tell us what would you like to see in the future for the series. What would you like to learn? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you and bye.